What's up, guys and gals? What I'm going to show you in this little practice here is how to set up the beginning of a roll cage for your zombie apocalypse vehicle. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you our end product. We want to be able to drag this, and we want to be able to change the shape of this. If you can angle them, you can put more side pieces, you can do whatever, you could do the top the same size, whatever it is, but I'm making it so you can drag it all. So when I click on update, it updates everything all at the same time. So this is a good way. You can see this is only 5 inches. This is a very, very tiny vehicle, but you could drag it so it's, this is 20 or 30 inches. Remember, you only really need one person inside of it. But then once I drag that and I hit update, you can see that it updates this. And then I can always go back. And what I did was I made this so you could drag it in both directions. So you could make it longer in the back or the front or whatever. And then this could be your side rails for your vehicle. It's a really good way to get started. So let me show you how to do this. It's actually really easy. We're going to start with a part, and I'm going to start with a sketch here, and I'm actually going to go back and I'm going to turn these planes on so you can see these things. And in my front view, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a circle here. And I'm actually going to make this 2 inches for my diameter of my object. And you can see once I start doing this, it's going to get really big. So I'm going to create a line from here to the center. You want to start in that center. This is going to be your mirror line for later. And then we're going to come up here and create, I'm just going to do 2 for today. And then I'm going to create this, and I'm going to copy this one. So if I change the diameter of my pieces, so then all I have to do then is this makes it easier to make it vertical. I'm going to come back and make these construction lines, and then I'm going to dimension this, and then I'm going to right click on it and go to driven dimension. And then I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm going to create this dimension, and I'm going to go back and hit driven dimension. Okay? That way I can drag them and change them to whatever size I want. Okay? And then I'm going to hit finish. And then I'm going to extrude this. Okay? And I'm going to go, I like to go both directions. Asymmetrically. That way I can drag them into whatever length I want. If I want this to be the center, either way, I can put my engine in the back or my engine in the front or whatever I want to do. But then we're going to go to mirror, and I'm going to choose this. Oops, let's do that again. I'm going to choose this, and then my mirror plane, I left this on so I could choose the right one. And my vehicle, almost all of your vehicles are going to be symmetrical. So now the last thing I need to do is to right click on this sketch and turn the visibility back on. That way what I can do is I can grab this dot in the middle. Oops, let's try that again. This dot right here, I can stretch it up. And I can take this one and I can stretch it out. And then when we hit the update button here, boop, it does them both at the exact same time. And then when you're done, to make it easier, you can turn the visibilities back on. All right.